न ऐसी जुल्फे न ऐसा चेहरा
सदा जियो सदा जियो।
न यूं किसी पे शबाब होगा, न ऐसी जुल्फे न ऐसा चेहरा न यूं किसी पे शबाब होगा। अरे जवाब होंगे सभी के लेके न मुस्तफा का जवाब होगा।
And he is about to say something very important now, and he wants to say it up. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, my beloved brother Shams Uddin.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah,
Allahu
very
Akbar.
inspiring.
He has
Very
mentioned something very powerful. He said, you know, even during his days of Ahmadiyya, when he was an Ahmadi or Qadiani, he used to read Durood with abundance. You know, he used to read Durood after Isha Salah, and he used to do long sujood. You know, Qadianis pray just like the Muslims pray, right? Their salah is exactly the same, right? Okay, when you look at it, it looks the same. Okay, so he said when he would be in sajda, he would be reading Durood non-stop, and he would be doing it for sometimes 2 to 3 hours. And his mother asked him once that, what is it you're asking for? You know, you do such long prostrations, such long sajdas. What are you asking Allah for? And he said, you know what? I had no idea that my durood will lead me to Islam. That even though I believed in kufr at the time, I was a disbeliever, okay? Because of believing in Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani as a prophet, I was still reading my salah and reading durood. It was the blessing of this durood, it was the barakah of this durood that brought me to Islam, and Allah opened my heart to this guidance, okay? And since then, Allah has blessed our brother Shamsuddin with the ability of da'wah, that he has brought almost 500 Qadianis to Islam through online chats, online live conversations, and WhatsApp conversations and talks. So he has been talking to a lot of Qadianis and Ahmadis, and he has been inviting them to Islam. And to date, about 500 people have accepted Islam with him. And this is the barakah of Durood. Allahu Akbar. May Allah accept from our beloved brother Shamsuddin.
Adnan Bhai Shams Bhai has his own platform as well. If we can, inshallah, ask him to promote his platform.
Inshallah.
उस पे हम इसी तरह आगे सवाल जवाब भी करते हैं।
Shamsuddin RB. Shamsuddin
आप
RB.
उसका लिंक मुझे प्राइवेट में भेज दें, मैं इंशाल्लाह
उसका लिंक भेज दीजिएगा चैट में आप हाशिम भाई को, तो हम इसको पोस्ट कर देंगे इंशाल्लाह. And Urdu speaking Ahmadis, please get in touch with brother Shamsuddin. He speaks Urdu fluently, and you know what? He is from within. He's from the cult itself. He came from there. He knows what we cannot know. Myself, Hashim, Imtiaz Bhai, we cannot know. Dr. Izhar, Shamsuddin, Bashir, brother Bashir, our sister who came earlier, you know what? These guys, they are from there. They have seen it. They can explain things to you that we cannot. So Urdu speaking people, please get in touch with brother Shamsuddin via his platform and talk to him. If you have questions, talk to him. Okay, you may not want to talk to us, but at least talk to one of your own who was there once upon a time, right? So we will post the link. It is Shamsuddin RB. I think it's there. We can see it right now. Yes. Okay. So इस प्लेटफॉर्म से इंशाल्लाह आप राब्ता कीजिए शमसुद्दीन भाई के साथ, और इनसे इनके तजुर्बात के बारे में, इनकी जिंदगी का जो सफर है उसके बारे में पूछें, ताकि आपको भी इंस्पिरेशन मिले इंशाल्लाह.
Like us on Facebook. Contact us on WhatsApp. Subscribe our YouTube channel and